unique diamonds called French cuts, and they're vintage looking, old looking.
Fantastic. So let's get started. I think first we'll capture the screen. Very simply, we just place this inside the gem light box. Next, our lid goes back on. We just click into our gem light box application here. And then we can connect it to the turntable. And let's take a photo of this lovely ring. So just like that, we have a stunning result of this diamond eternity band. You can go video mode and take a 360 video as well. Save that. The gem light box also has a sparkles feature, so if we turn on sparkles and we adjust the brightness again, we get even more scintillation. So you can see when we capture with the sparkle light, there's more brilliance in the diamonds, a lot more sparkles.
Oh, this is the ring.
This is the ring.
Very pretty.
So what do you think of the results?
I like it.
Yeah?
Yes,
Fantastic.
I do like it.
What do you think about the color of the metal and the diamonds?
It looks beautiful here. Let's see the bracelet again. Yes, pretty. Very nice.
And then this one, you can see all the engravings as well.
Right. Okay, perfect.
Fantastic.
Very nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Over here, I've just did more for Jimco, and we're going to do a quick video of how we're going to do photos and videos of these rings. So over here we have our Gem Lightbox application, and it's connected to the Gem Lightbox with Bluetooth, and then we can use our camera to take the photos. So number one, let's put the ring on the inside. And we put in the gold one, for example. And then we have our camera over here, so open the camera.
Let's go to the next photo. So it's really quick and easy to get a professional quality picture.
That's fun.
Yep, my pleasure.
We're here with Brittany today. Brittany's purchased a Gem Lightbox and she's using it in her store. So, how's the Gem Lightbox helped your business?
Oh, it's amazing. It takes amazing photos. We've been able to not have to send them out for editing. I can do that at the store. We use a 360 turntable for our custom jobs, so we can make like a folder and portfolio for those for our customers. And it's just streamlined the photo process in general. It's amazing.
Hey guys, we're here with Justin here from Dacus Jewelry. They've just purchased the Gem Lightbox area. So how have you been using the Gem Lightbox so far?
Oh my gosh, we use it. I probably use it every day. That's just kind of the new thing we use to post on Instagram, Facebook, send to our website. We use it for everything, actually. So,
That's amazing.
yeah.
That's really good. Thank you so much.